So I'm here at the National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys with one of my very dear friends, Kurt O'Keefe. We really wanted to get on camera together because we're so fabulous. Look at us. We are so fabulous. We were a little concerned you might stroke out from all the colors, so we decided to give you a little fun.
We should have had a disclaimer, seizure warning, trigger warning.
I can do that. I can put a seizure warning at the beginning, the opening frame. Yeah, absolutely, I can do that. Well, in all seriousness, as much fun as we're having, I want to congratulate you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Would you please tell my audience the honor that NACBA gave you?
It's funny, I told people, well, I have to go to the bankruptcy seminar. Like, why do you have to go? Well, I'm speaking, so it's free to me. And they're giving me an award for something that didn't happen yet. But we got the Michigan exemptions moved way up. It passed the legislature, and it's a very convoluted story because they did it just before Christmas, so nobody presented it to the governor. So the issue is in the state Supreme Court. But the House and Senate in Michigan passed exemptions, putting home way up, car, wild card, many exemptions. We'd only been changed since the 1880s with 6 months of provisions in your church pew and that. They changed it for IRAs, and they changed the homestead was $3,500 when I started practicing bankruptcy.
Yeah.
We do have the choice of the federal exemptions. So what did they give me? Legislative advocacy, I think, and Alex Berry Santoro. So lots of trips to Lansing and testifying, and it's the political world. Nobody said this is a bad idea.
Well,
they said, well, I don't know if I can vote for it because the Democrats are ramming everything down our Republican throats, and they won't even show us the bill, and politics is a mess. I guess that's why they gave it to me.
I guess that's why they gave it to you. And for those of you who follow me, myself, on my platform, The Ladylike Lawyer, I've actually made some videos about the exemptions in Michigan, about the political fallout, about why they had been increased, and we were all expecting a delightful increase, and then the politics that kind of came into play that actually stopped progress. And I talk a lot about the National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys and our advocacy and why it's so important, why this is our flagship organization, because we are the ones who are here and we are on the front lines. We are trying to fight to increase exemptions, to increase accessibility for people. And here you are literally getting an award at the National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys for doing exactly what it is I tell people is so important in this space.
Well, I said there's nothing like recognition from your peers, so it makes it very meaningful. And when I talk to staffers and legislators, I say, all of our bankruptcy clients now, they never thought 5 years ago they would be in bankruptcy.
Right.
Nobody plans on it.
Right.
So these, when you get into it, people are in denial and they put it off. So really no one champions them because, frankly, they don't have money to move politics.
Yeah.
They don't have a big organization with a lot of members. The advantage when we do it is they know we're not in it for ourselves. I mean, I've been going there on a number of causes, none of which pay me money.
I think
you get credibility because you are a citizen. And legislators are people. Don't be afraid to talk to them. The other thing is they got people their butt all day long telling them how great they are because I represent the amalgamated cheese makers, and you'll understand why this is great for the citizens of Michigan. So the lobbyists are lying to them all day.
Yeah.
You're here because you work for the cheese makers. You want them to make more money. And we're there because we represent people, poor people, and people that caught up, frequently not of their own doing. And America is the land of second chances. There is in the Constitution that Congress shall establish uniform laws of bankruptcy. So you have a constitutional right to file bankruptcy.
Article,
if you need it.
Article 1, Section 8, Clause 4. Yes. That's really the way of the world. It's David and Goliath, and that's the way the political system works, but that's the way that our economy works. In a capitalistic society, you're going to have a lot of lobbyists who want to change the laws in favor of predatory lenders and in favor of big businesses that prey on people who are struggling, and it's always going to require people who care about the issues, who are willing to do it without getting paid a whole lot of money to change the system. and that is why I am so proud to be a member of NACBA. I know you're proud to be a member of NACBA. Give me a hug.
I can never get back as much as NACBA.
We care. We want to increase exemptions everywhere, and Michigan, you guys are about to have some good things happen, and you guys can thank Mr. Kurt O'Keefe for one of the people who's moving that ball. So thank you very much, Kurt.
You're too kind.
Take
Thanks.
care.
Have a great day. Flash.